Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix a Wi-Fi connection issue after Windows update. If you have installed any Windows latest update and accordingly the Wi-Fi connection issue raises, then here are the fixes how to fix this. Right click on start button and choose settings. Here from the left side of settings, go to Windows update. Click on it. Thereafter go to right side and here pause updates. Click on pause for 1 week, 2 week, 3 week, 4 week, 5 week. So choose minimum pause for 1 week. Pause your Windows update, automatic Windows update for 1 week, and also here go to update history. Here scroll down and at the bottom of the page you will find the option uninstall updates. Click on uninstall updates. A list of installed updates will available here. Find out the latest Windows update after which your Wi-Fi connection issue raises. So simply uninstall that particular update from your Windows 11 and 10 system. Simply click on uninstall and follow on-screen instruction to complete the process. Uninstall that particular update which causes Wi-Fi connection issue in your system. Click on uninstall. Uninstalling updates may put your PC at risk, but click on uninstall again. That's all.